Hi, this is a quick video on how to open and use a Google Slides assignment. So sometimes in our lessons, there will be an interactive Google Slides lesson that your students will be doing. You'll see, for example, in this social studies project for using Google Maps, it says open the Google Slides attached, make a copy, and then complete each activity. The lesson that, or the Google Slides document that I attach is the original. So it is what is called a view only type of Google slide. That means that you should not be able to type or edit or rearrange anything in the Google Slides. So when you have a Google Slides assignment, before you click on anything or type or rearrange or do anything interactive with the slides, please make a copy. So what you will do is you'll come up to File and then scroll down to make a copy, and then you'll select entire presentation so that you have the whole activity for your student to complete. And then you can rename it. Best practice would be to rename it your student's name. That makes it a little bit easier for me to find them. But it saves in their drive either way. So that makes it really nice. You don't have to worry about things saving. It just automatically saves to your student's drive. So then when you click OK, it will open a new window, and then you will be able to edit and actually complete the activity in the slides. So hope that helps, guys. Have a good day.